Hello everyone, please forgive my bad English. I would like to show you around inside ClickBank Web Formula, the new product of SACP Yannick Singao. Okay, you have introduction here, you have module 1, module 2, module 3. They're all together very basic, though there's some pretty cool stuff in the picking the most powerful niche. Module 4 is good. I will show you around. All of them, they're packed with videos, as you can see. Module 4, then creating a sales machine. Well, it's for this money you're getting a complete course. Complete, really complete course, packed with video tutorials. It's a pretty good course, I would say. It's not only for the beginner. There's some pretty cool and new stuff about autoresponders and setting up some kind of, a better landing page, opt-in page. Here we have some pretty cool stuff as well, using words to sell. See, it's in module 7. You can see there are 2 videos in here. Then we have module 8. Module 8 is about promoting product launches. I am sure you have heard that before, and if you are not making at least $500 a month from affiliate marketing, you should turn your eyes to promoting product launches, because maybe this is one of the easiest ways to do that. And keep in mind, not the one that have big promotions and stuff, because it's very hard to fight the competition. That's from my own experience. Okay, this part about the traffic, we have a few videos for article marketing, forum marketing, SOATs, PPV, GB traffic and ad swaps, social media, Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, building an in community. This is very cool stuff. It takes time, but it's well worth it. Content network, image ads. You know this stuff. Maybe you know. If you don't, it's worth it. It's worth it. Then we have something about the conversions. I haven't watched this one yet. Actually, I've just watched like 1/3 of the videos, the first 3 modules, but it's a pretty cool course. We have some bonuses here. 8 steps to article marketing powerhouse. How I made 356,000 in 10 hours from YouTube, getting clicks for as well as a penny a click. You have tree of sales as well. You have ClickBank Society, ClickBank Traffic Jetty. I'm considering this one. And you have the top 10 niches of ClickBank. But what you get for the money you paid is this course here. 10 modules packed with videos and training. That's about it. Best of luck to all of you, and may this year be very fruitful. And don't give up. I remember this saying: even if you fail 1,000 times, when you succeed, none of them matters.